Water is the lifeblood of plants. Without a consistent supply, even the hardiest crops struggle to grow. Let's take a look at why it's so important, especially for delicate crops like lettuce. Lettuce, a leafy green that's often grown in farms and home gardens, needs a constant supply of water to thrive. Unlike other plants that can handle a bit of drought, lettuce relies on regular hydration to stay crisp, fresh, and vibrant. When water is scarce, lettuce wilts quickly, and its leaves turn tough and bitter. But with the right amount of moisture, it stays tender and delicious. That's why farmers and gardeners know the secret to a healthy lettuce crop is keeping the soil consistently moist. Maintaining consistent moisture doesn't mean overwatering. It's all about balance. Too much water can cause root rot and attract pests. To get it just right, check the soil regularly. It should feel damp but not soggy. There are different ways to ensure your plants get the right amount of water. Drip irrigation is a great option for farms and large gardens, delivering water directly to the roots without wasting a drop. In smaller gardens, hand watering or using a sprinkler system works well. By giving your lettuce plants the water they need, you'll not only ensure bigger harvests, but also better quality leaves that are packed with flavor and nutrients. So remember, whether you're farming or just growing in your backyard, plants need a constant supply of water to thrive. Keep the soil moist, stay mindful of your watering methods, and you'll be rewarded with fresh, crisp lettuce every time. Keep your lettuce happy, keep your garden growing. Water is the key.